y'all, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you top 10 amazing soap for dark skin, chocolate, and caramel skin, okay? If you have been searching for a cream to glow your skin, this video is for you. In case you're seeing my video for the first time or you just came across my video, you're highly welcome to my channel. My name is Maya. In this channel, we talk about beauty, skincare, DIY, product review, and many more. You are highly welcome once again. Please consider subscribing, turn on the bell icon so whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified. And don't forget to hit like this video, drop your comment in the comment section. So, without wasting of your time, let's proceed. Before we dive into, for my returning subscribers, thank you all so much for coming back to watch my video. I do really appreciate you all for your love and support. So, let's proceed. Our first on the list is going to be Fair and White bar soap, okay? So this soap is actually amazing on the skin. It's going to help you a lot. If you're a chocolate skin girl, you just want to maintain your normal complexion, chocolate, dark skin, even caramel skin can use this soap, okay? It's for all skin types, okay? It does not bleach the skin. It's going to help you maintain your normal complexion, okay? So if you just have to get one of these and start using immediately, it's going to help your skin a lot. So our second on the list, because I placed that on number one, does not mean that is the best, okay? Sorry, okay? All the soap that I'm going to mention in this video, they are all amazing. They are going to work equally, okay? And they are very, very nice on the skin as well, trust me. Okay, so second on the list is going to be Clear Natural Carrot Skin Brightening Soap. This soap is actually the best, okay? It's also nice, beautiful. It's going to help your skin a lot. If you have a dark spot, hyperpigmentation, you should also go for this. It's going to help you glow your skin, give you that flawless and radiant skin looking. So you just have to get one of these and start using immediately, okay? So number three is going to be Pears Bar Soap. This soap is actually great, okay? On the skin, it's gentle as well, so it's not harsh, it's not going to bleach your skin. They are just going to help your skin understand your normal complexion, help you glow your normal complexion, take off your dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and all that evil blemishes, okay? So they are going to help you a lot. All the stuff that I mentioned, they are very, very helpful. You just have to trust me, okay? You just have to get one of these and start using, okay? So number four is going to be Shea Moisture Black Soap. This soap is actually good on the skin as well. It's gentle and great for chocolate skin, dark skin. This soap is actually for all skin types, okay? All skin types can use this soap. It's very, very good. It's going to help you smoothing, clear your skin, okay? You just have to get one of these and type me later, alright? So next is going to be Ambi Skincare, okay? This is actually Ambi Black Soap, okay? You just have to get one of this soap. If you have the cream, you are very good to go, my darling sister. It's going to glow your skin, give you that flawless skin looking. You're going to love your skin because the cream is very, very good on dark spot, hyperpigmentation, and all that. So if you combine it with this soap, you're going to love your skin. I'm telling you the fact, okay? So next on the list is going to be Dudu Awesome. This soap is actually great, okay? If you have a patient, you're going to love your skin. But if you don't have patient, just have it in your mind that this soap does not work like 2 days, 3 days, even a week. You won't see a result, okay? If you don't have patience, you're not going to enjoy it. So if you're going to get this soap, you just have to have the patience, okay? So that you will benefit from it, okay? Next on the list is going to be Extract Soap. This soap is very, very amazing, okay, for all skin type as well. It's going to help you clear your dark spot as well. It's just like all those ones have been measured, every soap that I mentioned on this video, they almost work same thing. So you just have to get one of these two and start using immediately. You're going to love your skin. It's going to clear your skin, give you a glowing skin, soften your skin, and give you that shiny look. I'm not joking, okay? So I'm very, very correct. So next on the list is going to be Dove soap. I actually love Dove soaps, even Dove creams. I love it because they are very, very great products. They are very gentle on the skin as well. So get one of these if you are dark skin. Get one of these and start using. Okay, it's going to help your skin a lot without anything like bleaching, lightening you. Okay, so get one of these and start using immediately, and then come back to thank me. Don't just. So number 9 is going to be Palmer's Cocoa Butter Soap. This soap is amazing on the skin as well. It's going to give you that flawless skin, glowing skin radiant. Okay, it's going to help you eliminate dark spot, hyperpigmentation, blemishes. Even if you're older than your age, this soap is actually good for you. Okay, it's just going to help your skin glow. Okay, our number 10, okay, is going to be palm olive soap. This soap is amazing. I really do love this soap, okay? So you just have to get one of these. It's for all skin types as well. It does not have any bleaching agent on it. It does not bleach the skin, sorry. It's just going to help your skin glow, give it that glowing looking like nice shiny skin. So it's just going to help your skin glow. So if you get this, just use it and then see for yourself how it goes. So all the soap that I mentioned on this video, they are very, very great. You can use it for your skin anytime, any day. They does not bleach the skin, okay? So that is all for today's video. I hope you love this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and drop your comment in the comment section. If you have any question, I don't mind. I will reply to you, okay? So see you on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!